Buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we take a jaw-dropping journey through the world of ultimate idiots in cars. From reckless drivers to mind-boggling crashes, this heart-pumping video captures it all on camera, leaving you on the edge of your seat and wondering how some people even got their licenses in the first place. So hold on tight and get ready to witness some of the craziest moments on the road as we unveil the ultimate idiots in cars caught on camera. As you can see from the dashboard cam, the driver was going fast, and then it first rammed into the silver Swift, then it hit another vehicle on the right, causing a three-car collision. As you can see from the footage, the car was about to make a right turn, and just then, another car came from the side, ramming into the first one, then driving into the snow. The silver sedan could be seen hitting the black car from behind, which then broke its bumper too. And a man could be seen walking from the crash as nothing happened. A red car could be seen upside down on a frozen lake. Two black cars could be seen in front, and as one of them was trying to make a turn, another car came rushing in and ramming into the car, causing it to go straight. As you can see, two trailers are going adjacent to each other as one of them slightly hit the second one, causing it to waver for a while, then they stopped. A can with his car door open was trying to reverse his car. Just then, he realized it was on the verge of the cliff, and he ran to save himself and sat down at the edge while watching his car go down the deep valley, rolling several times over. Then he could be seen skating on the road. The black car could be seen coming from the opposite side and making a full-fledged turn before going into a bus stand. The white car could be seen ramming into the silver Jeep and driving away as if nothing happened. As you can see, two cars were coming from opposite roads and both of them were somewhat fast, and the next second both of them collided with each other. As you can see, the orange bus can be seen ramming into the pink car coming from another side. As you can see, the black car hit the white van, and then both of these cars could be seen taking turns and hitting the railing on the sides. As you can see, the white car was coming from the front and it directly hit the car with the dashboard cam. As you can see that the car lost its balance and went straight into the snow. As you can see, everything was normal, but then the black car was trying to take a U-turn, and then the car with the dashboard cam tried its best to take a side, but it was too late. It is a sunny day. You can see two vehicles in the front, a car and a white van. It was normal until you can see a red truck going very fast, and at that exact moment, the white van was also trying to make a left turn, then the red truck hit the white van and left. The black car and the silver car were coming from opposite sides. Just then, the black Jeep rammed into the silver car, making its several parts fall off. After that, the silver can be seen driving into the traffic signal. As you can see, the brown car driver suddenly raced forward and rammed into the car with the camera. As you can see on the left, the black car hit the silver car and both of these cars were spinning. Then suddenly, the silver car hit the white car and the black car could be seen rolling. The car with the dash cam was going fast, then suddenly a white car came in front of them. As a reflex, the driver tried to take a sudden left. As you can see, the black car was trying to take a right turn, but then a silver Jeep came from the side and was about to ram into the black car. But the driver took a turn and he drove the car into the snow. As you can see, the car was going fast, and then a red car was making a turn. Just as it did, another car was behind the red car, and the car with the dash cam rammed into it. As you can see that the bus was coming very fast, and it rammed into the white semi-truck, causing its several parts to break. As you can see from the dash cam, the driver was going fast, and it hit the black car that was in front of him, causing its bumper to bend upwards. As you can see from the dash cam, the driver was going normally. It overtook a black Jeep and it went forwards and stopped. But just when it did, the black car could be seen coming from behind and hitting the car and leaving. As you can see on the left, the silver car was trying to overtake a previously crashed car, but just when it did, the car crashed into the semi-truck, causing the car's bonnet to bend. As you can see on the side, a white car could be seen rolling in the air. As you can see from the dash cam, the driver was taking a turn, but after it overtook a black car, an electric tram was also there, and the car smashed into the tram, causing its mirror to break. As you can see, there is dust everywhere and it's difficult to see anything. But just as the dust went off, a white Jeep could be seen coming from the front, causing it to ram into the car with the dash cam. As you can see, the white car was in a hurry, and as it moved faster, it was about to hit another car. But the driver took a turn, but there was a van there, and the car hit that bus. As it could be seen that a silver car was coming from the side and a Jeep was coming from the front, the silver car was somewhat fast and it rammed into the Jeep. The black car was going very fast and the wooden plank that was on its roof flew backwards. The dashcam shows that the driver of the vehicle took a side so it won't hit the cars on the right, but just as it went sideways, another car came and hit the first car. The black car was going very fast, it overtook one car, and as it was going forwards, a trailer was making a turn, and then the black car went straight into the trailer, causing its parts to break and fall off. As it could be seen that a vehicle was driving fast and tried to overtake a car in front of it, but just then the first car lost its balance and was seen ramming into the railings on the road. It could be seen that a white van coming from the side hit the black car, causing both of them to stop. A car that was coming very fast lost its balance due to the wet road and slammed against the tree. It could be seen that the silver car, which was coming from one side, hit the red fire truck coming from another side, causing the silver car's bonnet to break. It was seen that a red truck made a rash turn and was about to smash a car, but both of them were saved. It could be seen that a silver Jeep was coming very fast and it smashed the ambulance, causing it to roll over. It could be seen that people were fighting in the middle of the road and one of them threw another one in front of the red car, but the car managed to press the brakes on time. In conclusion, the ultimate idiots in cars caught on camera video might have left us shaking our heads and wondering how some people managed to obtain a driver's license, but it also provided us with some much-needed comic relief. From drivers attempting to jump their cars over hills to others trying to maneuver massive vehicles through tight spaces, the video showcased some of the most bizarre and entertaining moments on the road. While we hope that everyone prioritizes safety while driving, it's hard not to be entertained by the sheer stupidity on display in this video. So buckle up and enjoy the ride, because you never know what kind of hilariously idiotic behavior you might witness on the road. Kindly like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.